everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Excel. Today we will be talking about the filter option in Excel. The filter option is all about creating a custom search and display in your data where you can apply a filter. The filter is all about creating a custom kind of net, or you can say it as like a condition based on which you would like to see the information on your sheet or in your data table. So this option basically allows an individual to show up or look at the information what they are interested in at that point of time based on their request. So obviously you must be having a condition with you at that point of time what you would like to see and then work with it. So here we have got a sample data where we learned the previous things about how to sort the information. Now we'll be looking at filter. To apply a filter, the very first thing is to make sure that your table has headers on top. If you don't have headers in the table, which is quite unexpected, that a table without a head. So header is the very important thing without which you basically cannot apply a filter, and the headers will be basically carrying the filter condition. So all you have to do is select the filter and then go to sort and filter option here, and you can select the filter option where the shortcut is Control-Shift-L, which will also help you to do it in shortcut. That is Control plus Shift plus L should be pressed together to apply a filter. So as you apply a filter, you can see there will be a small drop down button which will be popping up on all the labels which you can see on the top. So this labels basically allows you to define a criteria which you can see here and then select what you want to see. For example, if I want to see only the students, or say for example only the male candidates, then I have to select male here and check that. Now basically as it was already checked, so it has unchecked it, you must uncheck the select all button and select male and say OK. Now this is what we are talking about as filter, which will be basically filtering your information and showing you only the male information, the students who are male. Now you can always come to the left side and see there are other rows which are hidden behind the screen. So behind the screen in the sense under Excel properties, your cell can be hidden, your info column or row can be hidden to avoid to display on the screen. So by filter, applying filter, your other rows get hidden, not deleted, which will be there on the table always. Now to remove a filter which you have already applied, you can always click down and click on clear filter from gender. Now clear filter will bring back your original data what you had and will display back the whole table to you again. There's also another option. For example, I want to go with female, then select that one and say OK, and it will only show up the female candidates of your table. There's alternate way to clear the option is here, where you can select the clear and it will remove all filters from the table. For example, I go with multiple filter condition now. Say I've got male and say OK, and then I want to see people only from London, then uncheck the select all button, select London and say OK. So now I can see that based on two conditions of filter, I have place and I have gender, which when you hover you can see what condition you applies, and you can get it here and see that there are only two male candidates from London. So I have multiple filter condition applied on the screen right now. And here now to come back, for example, you have to clear the gender and then clear the place as well. But when you use this option clear, it will basically remove all the filters from the table. So I basically avoid multiple steps to be done when I want to clear all the filters. So for example, if I have 100 columns, 100 headers to be removed with the filter condition, then I cannot waste my time going individually to each option, because the option what you see in this here is to remove only for that particular column. So now what we consolidate from here is that if you want to remove filter only from a particular column, then use this option, clear filter from that column. But if you want to remove all the filters what you would have applied to the whole table, use this clear option. So that's the only difference with the two options. Now let me just quickly apply something called as conditional formatting. Highlight it greater than, and I want to show people above 50 with red color. Now I'm doing this to show you how the filter can be applied based on the conditional formatting. So highlight cell rules, text that contains, and say male as going with green, and okay. Now let me apply once again for females. So text that contains female with red color or the pink color, whatever it is. Now here maybe let us use some kind of another condition, maybe condition formatting or data bars. No, this is not a value. We cannot use data bars. We cannot use those. So okay, we are fine. Anyways, we have a text here which can make you understand. So what I wanted to show you here is how we can filter based on the conditional formatting once you applied to it. So now here you can see the sort by color. So I've got color here where I can see the text color and the background fill. So I have two options to select. So when I click on this and say filter by color, it says filter by cell color having pink as the background or no fill. That means all the whites will be displayed. Here all the pinks will be displayed, and this is font color. Filter by font color, that is red, or automatic. Automatic means the black color by default, which you can always see, and I can filter by this. So let's go with this option here, and you can see only the entries done in the table which are having a background fill as pink color. Similarly, let me remove this and go for gender and apply a condition based on the color that I want to see greens. That means I'm looking at male, pink as female. So let's go with this. Just a second. Did I miss something? Okay. So sort by color, green. No, filter by this. Okay, let me clear everything. Okay. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm talking about sort here. Filter by color. Okay, there's a mistake. I was talking about sort by color, so it was sorting basically. But here I want to show filter by color, so it will show only the green now. Now when I do it on the same filter by color but show me pink, it will only show me the pink entries done, but by the gender column. Again, to remove the filters, you can obviously clear all. So yes, what I wanted to convey you at this point of time is the filters are not restricted only to data. It can also be applied based on conditional formatting, where you can see any kind of rules, any kind of top bottom rules, or you have applied data bars, you have applied color scales or icon sets. So say for example, for this, if I apply icon sets, conditional formatting, go for icon sets, use three colors where I have all the three colors listed here, and now I go with this, you can see an option where you can define filter by color, and at the bottom you can see the icon sets, and I can say go by red colors only. But at any point of time, if you have not applied the conditional formatting and you're looking to give your own condition, you can always come to the number filters and look at equals to, not equal to, greater than, and you can apply any kind of condition. So this is where we started. That filter is all about when you want to see data based on a condition, and that condition is defined by you. That maybe I'm looking only at males, maybe only females, or maybe people only from London, or people greater than this, less than this, equal to that, or something. That is what you define here. Now that is filter all about. But this is not all. You also have something called as advanced filter, which lies here in data tab, which I'll be talking about in a different tutorial. But at this point of time, I just want you to understand the simple and basics of filtering. And yes, the last but not the least, how to remove filter from any table. You can select and just click on the filter button again. Now this filter button is a push button. You select once, it gets applied. You click again, it gets removed. So click on this, it removes the filters. So you can see that all my filter tabs like the drop down buttons are removed and my complete data is displayed on the screen. So team, that's from the filter, and hope definitely you understood what exactly the filter is all about. And please let me know if you have any questions all around on the comments and the details there. Hope you enjoyed the video and definitely learned something new today. Do comment your queries, doubts, clarifications below so that I can get back to you with more details on the same and get it clarified. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get latest updates on the new videos about basic Excels and advanced. To get notified, do not forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you team for watching the video. Happy learning.